How to prepare for the NEET SS in 20 odd days. 20 odd days seems to be very less, but these 20 odd days, 20 into 24 hours, maybe you will be studying 12 hours per day. Still there are 240 hours. These 240 hours are the valuable time. You have to, if you divide this time properly, it will make the difference, because the last 20 days or last 10 days, if you are strong enough, if you have the nerves of steel, you will get ahead. You will get ahead and you will reach the goal of your choice. There is a saying, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. This statement was given by Bruce Lee. I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. This shows the benefit of practice. This is the perfect way to prepare these 20 days. To prepare, this crunch time is there, less time is there, but you can achieve your dream. So stick to your dream, stick to your goal, make daily goals, practice it over and over. Just gain mastery over the limited steps, limited number of concepts, limited questions. Practice again and again, practice again and again. Get mastery over those questions. Then you will succeed. Strategic division of time, the proper management of time. You already have a sense of time now, because there are not many days are left before the exam is arriving. You have to give double the efforts with each passing day. The importance of each minute has to be valued and measures to be taken accordingly. Waste of time at this 11th hour can come at a bigger price. So don't waste the time. Set daily goals. Set daily goals, which at the end of the day must be achieved at any cost. One must equally divide the time between all the sections, covering all the topics. Hence, keep a track. Even distribution of time ensures a balance is created, and this satisfaction is important. The more you are satisfied, the more your confidence level. The more your confidence level, the lower your anxiety level. The more lower your anxiety level, the better the performance. So you have to revise in a proper manner. Divide your time properly. Set daily goals and achieve them every day. Follow this routine for the next 20 days and you will definitely reach your goal. You will be successful. Know what you know perfectly. By this time, you must be well aware of your strengths and weaknesses of the different topics to master for the NEET SS. So you know the topics well, but now you have to perfect it. So in these last days, it is suggested to concentrate on mastering your strengths. You master your strengths rather than concentrating on your weaknesses. Focus on your strengths. Focus on your strengths. This focus on your strength will make you more confident. It reduces your anxiety level. Focus on your notes, what you have prepared. Focus on the tables. Focus on the figures. Focus on the diagrams. So focus on the tables in the standard books. Focus on the tables. Focus on the mock exams. So rather than reading from multiple sources, you zero from where you have to study. Only that much only. Revise again and again. Know what you know perfectly. You should master it. Master it. The more you master, the more your chances of success are there, because accuracy matters the most. Revisions, unlimited revisions, at least 5 or 6 revisions. Revisions can be the deciding factor. Revisions can be the deciding factor. The more you revise, the more your chances to get into the super specialty of your dream. So indulge in exhaustive revisions at this time. In this crucial period, you indulge in exhaustive revisions. Do not involve yourself in knowing or learning something new at this time. It can cause confusion and aggravate the situation. The only deciding factor on your way to achieving success is your practice sessions. Your revisions, your practice sessions. Revise each and every concept, basic or advanced. Revise line by line. So indulge in exhaustive revisions at this time. Revisions come with two benefits. It helps recall. It helps recall. You can recall well in the exam. And the facts, topics, studying ideologies can be covered. That you have covered. Everything will be revised again and again. Second, if revised correctly, it can help boost confidence level, and it reduces the anxiety. It reduces the anxiety level. It boosts the confidence level. So that you can go to the top position in the NEET SS exam. So indulge in exhaustive revisions at this time. Do not involve yourself in knowing or learning something new at this time. If you try to learn something new, it can cause confusion and aggravate the situation. So only deciding factor is how much you revise the things, what you have studied all these days. Effective time management. Effective time management is a must-have skill. It is a critical skill to be acquired by the doctors to get the NEET SS, to pass the NEET SS with good marks, to secure a good rank, to secure a good seat. You need to have effective time management. This effective time management comes from practice of the mock tests. Focus more on practicing question papers. Focus on the solve mock tests every day. Take up mock tests every day. Practice these tests again and again. Get acquainted. This practice leads, you will get acquainted with the actual exam scenario with regards to the exam duration, paper pattern, marking scheme, and the difficulty level of the paper, the critical parameters. You get acquainted with the actual exam pattern by practicing the mock test. So the more you practice, the less are the chances to make the mistakes in the real exam. It will lead to effective time management. You will not leave any question unanswered. One can improve and enhance the speed and accuracy with these tests. If you practice the mock test, it will improve your accuracy, speed, and this serves as a key factor which will put you ahead in the competition. So practice mock test as many times as possible. Solve mock tests again and again. Check for unattempted and incorrect responses. Turn those incorrect responses into correct responses. Put in extra efforts in these last 20 days so that you achieve your dream super specialty seat. Uncompromising level of speed and accuracy. You may have excelled at preparation, you have prepared well, but a couple of wrong moves at the exam can cost you your seat. So beware while preparing for the exam in these last 20 days. Work on enhancing your speed, enhance your accuracy as well. Speed and accuracy matters. Focus on increasing your speed at answering the questions. Focus on increasing the speed while answering the questions. So the more you solve the questions, the more will be your speed, the more accuracy, the more speed, the better the rank. So the speed and accuracy should not be compromised at any cost. There should be an uncompromising level of speed and accuracy. And this uncompromising level of speed and accuracy comes through practice. Now the NEET SS is round the corner. Only 20 days are left. So the stress levels are at the peak. Ensure to stay calm and have a relaxed mind while preparing for the NEET SS. Do not panic. Do not panic, because if you panic, the performance will be spoiled. So do not panic. You do avoid overthinking about the exam day. Focus on the preparation. Focus on your preparation. Focus on your health. Focus on your well-being. Take short breaks. You can meditate. You can do some form of physical activity. That is also very important. And this physical activity and meditation keeps your stress level under control. The stability of mental health is also very important, as you all know it very well. Sound sleep is very important, and a well balanced diet is a must. You should eat well, sleep well, rest well. You should take breaks also. Do not overstress yourself, and this will help you in your final exam. I wish that all of you get your super specialty of your choice. You get into your dream specialty for which you have been working for years. You fulfill your dream. You are already successful. You have reached here. Till here means you will be successful also. And just concentrate for these 20 days and you will get the seat of your choice. I wish you all the best. I wish you the best of luck. You will get the seat. Don't worry.